and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh, julle wonder seker hoekom lyk ek so vandag. But it's very hot, no? And I decided to ignore the door handle. So I decided I'm gonna show you guys. I decided I'm going to show you guys how I blow dry and flat iron my very curly hair. So do stay tuned for that. As you can see, my hair looked like this before washing it and everything like that. And also, as you can see now, this is how my hair looks after washing it. Guys, if I'm looking this way, it's because my mirror is here, no? So yes, as you can see, this is how my hair looks. As you can see, it's busy like drying by itself, but that's not what I'm doing because I'm going to blow dry it. So if you are keen to see how I go from this to frizz-free, curly to straight, then please keep on watching and don't forget to give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Guys, I'm doing this video in 31 degrees, so if that is not dedication, then I don't know. But before we continue, I just want to show you guys what I washed my hair with quickly, very quickly. I'm gonna talk about this a lot. So I use the Ivory shampoo, very nice if you have extremely dry hair like mine. And then I use the Tresemme Keratin Smooth Conditioner. I'm going to start doing my hair. Guys, I have very extremely curly hair. So this is what I'm going to do, and as usual I just split the pieces into the one piece in two, and then I start detangling and then I start blow drying. we have reached the front part of the hair. So what I do, I obviously like split still in sections, and as you can see, the hair is now a little bit drier than it was. So now you have to be extremely gentle with your hair, because especially when you are detangling it. So as you can see, this hair is not detangled. So what I do, I start at the bottom, moving my way up to the root. So as you can see, now is detangled. You just need to be extremely gentle with your hair, because if you start here, it's gonna create knots and your hair is gonna break off. So what I do now, I still go in with the larger brush, like so. I would then blow dry my hair to the back, so I can get all these small little flyaway hairs here. We have reached the last part of the hair. Okay. Ow. Okay. As you can see over here, it's not sleek, but I'm going to fix that with my, but guys, this is only with the blow dryer. I'm gonna show you now. I just did like flicks and everything. Let me just show you guys. This is the ends. It's like cold away. So guys, this is the hair only with the blow dryer. As you can see, it's not straight. I just want to show you guys. It's obviously not straight because I did do a little curl at the back, because that is the easier for me. So yeah. So now I'm going to start with the straightening, and because I tried to do the blow drying like a bit more intense, I would say, I really tried to sleek most of the hair down, because I don't want to go way into the straightener too much, because as you know, a straightener do cause a lot of damage. So yeah, so now going into the straightener, I'm using the Babyliss straightener. Okay, and again, I'm going to start in sections. It's gonna split it again in 2 sections. Straightener is ready. So So what I do, I'm doing this, as you can see, just for the roots. I want the roots to be sleek. Sleek. Same thing. Okay guys, so finally we have the last pieces. Finally, eindelijk. So I'm taking this small piece over here, and the same thing what I'm doing. There we go. This hair definitely needs to set. So I'm just applying this olive oil, normal olive oil. You can use a hair oil. I don't have one, that's why I'm using just normal olive oil. Guys, what do you guys think? Definitely obsessed with this hair, guys. So my hair is silky smooth, it shines, it is extremely soft. I must admit my hair do need a trim, but if you want a video how to trim your hair at home, I can do a video for you guys on that. But that is my hair, guys. I'm currently now on day 8 hair and my hair still looks so beautiful. And yes guys, that is the final result. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up, and guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. As you can see at the back, my hair is quite long now. I'm almost at my hair goal, But if you want a video how to grow your hair, I can definitely do that. Please just leave me a comment in the comment section if you want that video, and I can definitely do that video for you guys. But till next time, till I see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.
On you.